How to request a refund on Cash App mobile app. Welcome! This guide will walk you through the steps to request a refund for a payment you've made using the Cash App mobile application. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged in with the correct account credentials. Next, tap on the Activity tab presented by a clock icon at the bottom right corner. This shows your recent transactions. Scroll through your transaction history and tap the specific payment that you want to request a refund for. On the transaction details screen, tap the three-dot icon located at the top right corner for more options. From the options that appear, select Refund. This will prompt the app to start the refund request process. Follow the prompts on the screen to confirm your request. Double-check all the details before submitting. Now you're all set. Cash App will notify the recipient of your refund request. Refunds may take up to 10 business days to reflect depending on your bank.